Mathematics Class 11 Chapter 1 Sets. In the last class we have completed exercise 1.4 and we have also done complement of a set and some standard formula. Today we shall study exercise 1.5. Question number 1. Let U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Find A dash, B dash, A union C whole dash, A union B whole dash, A dash dash, B minus C whole dash. That means you have to find the complement of the given sets. So number 1, A dash equal to, by formula we know it is U minus A. U is a universal set. Here it is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And A is this set 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to take elements of U minusing or excluding these elements. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot take. We start from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is A dash. Roman number 3, A union C whole dash. This means U minus A union C. So set U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And A union C, we can write from here A and this C. So union means all the elements of A and all the elements of C. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3, 4 is repeated. So we will not write that. We will start with 5 and 6. So the set, the union of A and C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to do U minus A union C. That means these elements you have to omit from here and write the rest of the elements. So 1 to 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to this we will omit and will write from here, that is 7, 8, 9. So complement of A union C is 7, 8, 9. Number 5, A dash dash, that is complement of N and again its complement. So it can be written, this dash can be written as U minus U dash, sorry, A dash. But this A dash can be again written as U minus A. If I open this bracket, U minus U plus A, U cut, so remain A. Okay, this is directly we have done. Now let us put the elements and check that whether you are getting the answer A or no. So U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A dash we have found here. So I write that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you exclude these elements from U. So these 5 to 9 you element and you write only this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This all you have to eliminate because it is already here. So that is nothing but your set A. Number 6, B minus C whole dash, that is U minus B minus C equal to U minus, first I'll find B minus A. So set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, it's given here. And C is this one 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will minus this. So U I have written here 1, 2, 9, and from here elements of B I have to take excluding C if it is here. So 2, then 4 is here, so we don't take. 6 is not there, 6 is there, so we will not take. 8 is not there, so we take. So 2 and 8. Now U minus this, okay, U minus B minus C. So you have to exclude these 2 and 8. Rest of the elements of U we have to take. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, so that is the B minus C dash or complement of B minus C. Question number 2. If U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, find complement of the following set. Number 1, A is equal to A, B, C. You know A dash is equal to U minus A, or complement of A is U minus A. So U is this one, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. G, H, and A is this one, A, B, C. So you have to exclude these elements from here. So you will start from here, D, E, F, G, H. Number 3, C equal to A, C, E, G. C dash equal to U minus C. So U is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and minus this element. So we have to exclude this element from here. So what will remain here is A is there, so we will not take. B will be taken. C is there, so we will not take. And D is not there, so we will take. E is also there, so we will exclude this. F, yes. G is here, so we will not take. And H. So this is the complement of set C. There are 2 and 4 which I leave for you. Question number 3. Taking the set of natural number as universal set, write down complement of following set. Universal set is your natural number. Number 1, x such that x is even natural number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and infinite. And A dash is U minus A. U is set of natural numbers and this is even number. So from the set of natural number. If you minus the even numbers, remaining will be odd numbers. So that means x is a odd natural number. Number 3, x says that x is positive multiple of 3. Positive multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 and so on. 15 and 18. B dash is equal to u minus b. So excluding these elements, so you will take the elements which are the multiple, not multiple of 3. Okay, so I'll just write 1, 2, 3, 4 minus this one. So remaining will be 1, 2, 3 will be cancelled, 4, 5, 6 will be cancelled, 7, 8. So this will be the set complement of the given set. Number 5, x such that x belongs to n divisible by 3 and 5. 3 and 5 means I will take LCM. 3 and 5 is 15. So divisible by 15. So c dash equal to u minus c. This set I am calling as c. Equal to u is 1, 2, 3 up to infinite minus x such that x is divisible by 15. So the answer will be x such that x is not divisible by 15. Not divisible. Here divisible by, here not divisible. Number 7, x such that x is a perfect cube. Call it number d. Okay. So d dash will be u minus d. X such that x belongs to n, that is natural number, and d is this one, minus x such that x is a perfect cube. So we have to take the now elements which are not perfect cube. So the difference of this will be x such that x belongs to n. X is not perfect cube. That is the solution, or you can say complement of the given set. Number 9, x such that 2x plus 5 equal to 9. Call it E. Now first let us find the value of x. So what I am going to do, this 5 I will transfer here. So you get here minus 5. 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. Transfer this 5 here. So 9 minus 5, which gives you 4. If I divide by 2, I will get x value as 2. So I have to exclude only 2 from the universal set. So E dash is equal to u minus E. U is 1, 2, 3 up to 4 minus, up to infinite minus 2. And this gives you 1, 3, 4, 5 and up to infinite. Or you can write this set as x such that x belongs to n and x is not equal to 2. Rest of the natural numbers are included. Number 11, x such that x belongs to n, 2x plus 1 greater than 10. So I have to take all the numbers in this set which are greater than 10. So if I put here x value as 1, then 2 plus 1 is 3, which is not greater than 10. So we cannot take. Then put 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5, not greater than 10. Then put 3. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7, which is not greater than 10. Then 4. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, that is 9, not greater than 10. Now put 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, which is greater than 10. And then if you go ahead with 6 also will be greater than 10. So what value will remain for the set elements of this set will be starting with 5, 6, 7 up to infinite. So f dash is equal to u minus f. U is the natural number and f is this one, 5, 6, 7 up to infinite. So all these elements will delete from here or cancel from here. So remaining will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 4. If u equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Verify that these are De Morgan's law. A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. And 2 is A intersection B dash whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. This part 2 you try. I will do this for you. So A union B, I find, first I write A, set A, this number, this element 2, 4, 6, 8. Union B 2, 3, 5, 7. Union means all the elements of A, B and which are included in both. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is my union. And A union B whole dash is equal to U minus A union B. U is 1 to 9. And A union B we have found here. Okay, so put here minus A 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So only you have to exclude all these elements from here. So 1 is not there, so we will take 2 to 9, 2 to 8 all are there. Okay, only 9 is not there, so 9. So 1 and 9 will be A union B whole dash, that is called number 1. Now let us find A dash. A dash is U minus A. So from the U we have to minus elements of A. So excluding these 2, 4, 6, 8, we will write the rest of the element, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B dash is you have to minus from U this B. So 2, 3, 5, 7 will cancel. So from here it remains 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. And then let us find the intersection of A dash and B dash. So you can see the common here, common is 1 and 9. So we can see from 1 and 2, A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. So it is verified. Okay, so we have verified that. So I have written here from 1 and 2, A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash is verified. Question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagrams. Number 1, A union B whole dash. Now this can be written as U minus A union B. Okay. Now A union B, this is A union B. Okay. If I share this part, this is my universal set U rectangle, and these are the set A and B, and this part is A union B. We have to take U minus A union B. That means excluding this part. So this shaded part will be your A union B whole dash. Okay. Same way, if I take A dash minus A dash intersection B dash equal to, we can write this using De Morgan's law, A union B whole dash, but this is nothing but this. So for now Roman number 2 also will be the same figure. Number 3 is A intersection B whole dash. This can be written as U minus A intersection B. Okay. Now this can be written as U is this whole set and A intersection B is this part. Okay. This part is A intersection B, but we have to exclude that. So this outer part will be your A intersection B whole dash. Okay. And number 4 is A dash union B dash. This can be written as, by using De Morgan's law, A intersection B whole dash. So this becomes like Roman number 3. So both it will have the same answer. You can look, this is A intersection B. Okay, the Venn diagram shown as A intersection B, this part, and complement of this will be the rest of the part, the remaining part. Okay, so this is A intersection B, and the rest of this will be, without including this, you will get complement of A intersection B. Question number 6. Let U be the set of all triangles in a plane if A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree. What is A dash? That is complement of A. Here U is equal to X such that X is a triangle in a plane. Okay, from here. And A, another set A, which is subset of this U, is given as X such that X is a triangle and has at least one angle different from 60 degree. That means A dash will be U minus A. So U is X such that X is a triangle and has all angles equal to 60. That means this the A dash will be set of all equilateral triangles. From all the triangles, you are just cancelling at the triangle which has got at least one angle different from 60 degree. So that means the angles will be equal to 60 degree. That means it is equilateral triangles. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks to make each of the statements true. A union A dash is equal to, this is, we have done this, A union A dash equal to U. Okay, this is A and this is A dash. If you do union of this, you get the universal set. Phi dash intersection A. Phi dash means U intersection A will give you A. A intersection A dash gives you phi. Why? Because this is A and this A dash, they are opposite to each other. They are complement of each other. So it will be phi. Intersection, there is no common between these two. So it is phi. Number 4, U dash intersection A. U dash means phi. Phi intersection A means phi. Okay. So that is also phi. So we will keep this much. Next we will shall do exercise 1.6. Thank you very much.